Good morning. Just out here. Got a little time to spend on the Ghia. Just gonna work on just kind of a light day for me today. Just removing trim and inside gauges and things like that. Hopefully, maybe by this weekend, looking to go ahead and pull the engine and be able to clean up the compartment there and also the front trunk area. So I'll be bringing you some more videos on that. So let me get going and I'll catch you later. No idea what this stuff is. So I got all of the dash stuff pulled out. So I'll be ready to go ahead and sand in there, and then took out all the latches and stuff like that. Did a little bit of sanding under there, one little spot I missed, and then I'll get ready to pull the engine out of there, so I can work on the engine compartment. I don't know what kind of paint they use, but at least it's coming off easy. build some custom covers with my bead roller along the back side and the sides. Don't need that. Or that stuff. Those look pretty good. Have to weld up those holes there. Or actually my cover will cover those up. Stuff coming off a lot easier than I could hope. Makes my job easier. Trying to stay organized, keeping everything in baggies. So that's just about it for me today. Just not a heavy day for me. So, but I'm glad I accomplished what I did. So till next time.